Nelson family? It's your boy Domi, and we are back today with another prank.
So y'all, we bought fireworks the other day, and it just so happens that we have a house full of people. Everybody sleep. So you know what? Everybody get caught slipping. Oh.
Yo, we gonna pop some fireworks.
We're gonna do the firework prank on everybody.
Everybody. So what we gonna do? Dang, we gotta use like 2 pots.
No, we don't. This one.
Just one?
Yeah, we're gonna only do the boys.
Alright, so we only gonna do my cousins and our son. We're gonna pop fireworks literally like so close next to them. So what we gonna do, we gonna hide this camera and we gonna see their reaction. We probably gonna put it like on a railing in a man cave, and so that way y'all can be able to see what happened, and y'all just go ahead and get a good laugh out of it. And if y'all do, go ahead and smash that like button if y'all think it's gonna be a successful prank. And let's get the show rolling.
It won't let me tie it.
It won't? No. Just like put it real close together and I'll light it.
And run.
Yeah, I'm gonna light it and I'll run.
So this all we need? Yeah, I don't want to make it like too smoky or nothing. Oh, we can do one more.
Yeah, one more.
I want to start a fire.
Okay. My heart is shaking. No, it's not shaking, but my heart is beating, pounding.
We're gonna put these in here.
Okay.
Get the lighter.
Tighten up, feel my heart. Feel my heart. Feel my heart. Dude, what about that heart attack?
My mama upstairs.
Oh, Lord! Open up the windows. There we go.
Oh, shoot, that was so loud. I was like shaking in the bed like crazy.
On me, I'm still shaking.
I see.
There we go. I'm talking about Munchie was funny as a mud.
What? Now that is right there what you call a 4th of July prank on you, baby. You okay, baby? You's okay, baby? How about you? Are you okay, baby?
I'm going back to sleep.
Yo. Ooh. Babe, that mug tore up your pot for real.
You buy me another.
Who?
You.
No, I'm not buying a new one.
It stinks.
Yeah, it do stink. That mug funky.
My go in my room and get my fan.
Stinky, funky, smell hella bad. It's all the same thing. Y'all, we gotta fan this right here. So that that way we ain't gotta keep on hearing that alarm.
My room.
Yeah, my grab a fan. Yo, when we was trying to do the wife, when we was trying to do the prank, literally I was quiet, and this dude woke up.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a couch.
Are you?
Wait. When did I go to sleep last night?
We went to
You was
sleep.
knocked out. You was the
You was already knocked.
The DJ was asleep.
Yeah, we was still live, and you was knocked out. Then our moms-in-law called us, like,
My mama
and like 4 o'clock in the morning.
said she outside.
Talk about, I'm outside. Then after that, I woke up. We just woke up. Sushi woke us up. So
I thought I missed the party. I woke up, checked the subscribers. I'm like, oh, what I missed?
It's lit, y'all. We about to go ahead and clear this out. Yeah, we gonna put it in here. You got a broom? Yeah, it's up upstairs. Y'all, we about to go ahead and end this. We're gonna end this prank right here. It stink, it's funky, and it smell hella bad. So if y'all think that was a good reaction to this prank, go ahead and smash that like button for this video. New viewers, go ahead and hit the comments and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell, and we'll see y'all in the next prank. You never know what's gonna come soon. It's your boy Domi and my boy who was in the prank gang.
Team Zach.
And we signing off.
Bullshit again. Got a bottle full of Henny, and I'm on bullshit again.